Good morning, everyone. Blessed Friday. I'm already sweating. We are here in Friday market. So this is where we bought our stocks for the online selling, but they are the branded ones, but in cheaper price. So we also will sell them online with less interest. So let's get started. So we just came from that bag section. I will show you. We came from the bag section. We ordered from him worth 40 kg. But the good thing for this guy is we can return it anytime. I mean, replace it anytime. So, say hi, Stephanie, to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. So you'll be featured. So that is the guy that we are buying from, the bags we bought from. Too much people. So we'll start roaming around. So guys, these are all for bedding, for furniture, I mean home stuffs. And this side are for clothes stuff. These stuffs are for accessories. All accessories stuff here. So these are the second-hand perfumes. I don't have for myself anymore, so I'm choosing. I already bought perfume from this guy for only 1 kg each. I had a discount. These are for the bridal gowns, but they are selling it so cheap in here, like from 5 kg up. Now we are done with our buying thing, so I will roam around for you guys, so you will see how huge is the Friday market in Kuwait looks like. So now we are first we will buy water because I am feeling hot. It's already 47 degrees here. So we'll buy in that store. We'll roam around now. So mostly you will see Indian, Bangladesh or Egyptian people because they are the usual people in Kuwait. Like Indian population is expat is the most. From that curtain section, home section, I mean, there are men's clothes here, but they are the brand new ones. The brand new ones, but the cheaper prices. Now we are in the home furniture section. This is a huge one because they got a lot of stuff from cabinet, everything. I bought my cover here for just, I think it was only 15 kg. There are the brand new ones, but the cheaper prices, and they also have the second hand but good quality ones. So on the other side is the curtain section, and in the right side is the home furniture section. You can see tables and chairs and everything, all furniture. So the price ranges from a regular covered. And the second one hand one only 10 kg. It starts from 10 kg to 100. And for the brand new, it's the same. They got also 15 for brand new ones, but they are made in China. On the left side are the mattresses and all. This is a very huge market which only opens every Friday. That is why it's called Friday Market. Well, in Arabic, Souq Juma. Souq means market and Juma is Friday. So they got restrooms in every corner, male and female, and they got security stuff in every corner also. In each corner also they got a food corner. Like if there are food corners, opposite to it is also a washroom section. So we are in the furniture area. So in the other side there is also a washroom for male and female. And on next to the furniture, the other section in the that side was home furniture. I mean home furnishing, the home decors, the mattresses and everything. So they got 3 sections for home furniture. The bed and mattresses. Here are the cupboard and chairs. There are the textiles, floor mats, carpets. So I will show you the items. These items are just ranging from 15 kg, 20, 75. This, I don't know how much are these stuff for. To show you. So we will go on the other side again. This is the third part for the home furniture, home decors and everything. So they got the water fountain, the artificial flowers. Take a photo. Pose. I'll take a photo for you. No, not for me. For you.
For me for the flowers?
Yeah, you don't want? Okay. And it's a very nice view, you see? The artificial palm tree, decors, mirrors, the carpets here. The carpets here. And floor mats there. Frames. Wall clocks. I like this one. It's simple. And then we got flowers. I want to take a photo of these. Let's try to take the camera in front. And these Kuwaiti kids are crazy. They are also want to take a photo with me. So we are here still in the other side. With these carpets, that's my favorite one. Grass, artificial grass. So guys, if you are gonna choose for carpets, this is how you will choose. You only check for the colors from here and ask the staff which one do you like, so they will accompany you going to that area which you like and how many meters do you want to buy for. But for carpets, it depends on the quality you want. But carpets are really expensive, especially on winter season because it's very cold in the floor, right? Like this one, this is a very expensive type, thick one. OMG! This is the fourth section for home furnitures, home decors. So from here, this is all brand new from China. So as I told you, every corner they got food section. So guys, we are from the fourth section of home decors, home stuff. We are now in the fifth area. Like this is from that side until in that corner too, for all home stuff. Inside the home stuff, at the fifth section, these are inside the fifth section, the blanket, mattresses, pillowcase, pillows, all brand new. So some Kuwaitis will buy here because these are brand new but in lesser price. So we are in the sixth section for home stuff, for the beds, all the metal beds. We don't have place to exit here, so I'll go back the other side. So from that area, all metal beds. In that this side we went through from fifth side, right? From beds, brand new bed. These are the brand new also metal double deck bed with all metal types. So some store are closed. See, it's a huge space here. Before the pandemic, it's all full. Like every no space for new stools here. I mean, area for selling. So since the pandemic started, some businesses are closing. Still, they got some bed stuff here in this sixth section. So that's the seventh one. We are in the seventh section from that side, from the gate until here. This is the seventh area we went through. I find here abayas, sportswear, but for brand new ones and brand new bags also. Not much people here. This is my first time to come in this side, since when we will go for Friday market, we only always will go for one section only for clothes and bag. So all new stuff here. So you will see more Kuwaiti people going here, since they don't buy second-hand stuff. As per their religious belief, Islamic religious belief, they don't wear second-hand stuff. That's the ninth area. My feet are already tired. So from chandeliers down to speakers, Bluetooth, washroom basket, dustbins and everything, and these pots, cooking pots, the hardware stuff. Brand new perfumes. Yes, all Kuwaiti kids. So So in this ninth section, all brand new stuff. We stopped from this trouser section because I'm planning to buy for my nephew in Philippines. I think this one is nice. This is an olive green, which is my favorite color, but that's a darker olive green. It was only, the guy only told me for 2 KD, so I will haggle for him for 1.5. So this is what I am searching for. I wanted to search for perfumes, right? So let's try to have a look and ask for the prices for this one. Changkolo perfume, brother. Changkolo perfume.
Sulu muna sa Salger different price.
Different price. What is the range? Price range 1 KD. Fee 1 KD? I will ask from him 1 KD. This side is for 1 KD. Okay, we'll choose from here. This is very unique perfume. It looks like a sandal, like a smell. It's fine. Yeah, it smells very good. No bargain, brother.
Bargain?
Bargain. How much is the last price? 750. Joke. 750 feels. This is Lacoste.
Lacoste.
You cannot sell for 750 feels. So there is another two cute sandals. It's smaller than these shoes. Look at it. It's smaller than these shoes. Cham, brother. Sim. This is only worth 1 KD. So it's 163 in Philippines. But the design, I like the design. And the smell is good too. As I am telling you, Kuwait have the best perfumes in the world. So now I have idea in buying gifts for my niece going back to Philippines. I will just buy for them these Class A perfumes for just 1 KD. The price in Philippines is 163, but they are smelling good already. So that's a good idea if you want to give us gift for your loved ones in Philippines, right? Like just the same as the design I have chosen earlier. It was so good. We were stuck from the 9th section. Now we are going to the 10th section. I am so tired, but feeling. So this 10th section is a textile, but brand new stock. So the guy said 1 meter is only for Ruba. That's too cheap. Dude, it's the 1 meter is only for Ruba. The 10th section is boring because it's all textile, tassels, and textiles, unused cottons. So this one are the stock room for that 11th section are the stock room for carpets. All carpets until that side. So we will from this side going there. Guys, it's freaking 50 degrees now, so we went from the 10th section, that's the 11th section, but we will not get inside anymore. It's so hot. So I'll just take a photo of this. These are the picture of the. So guys, that's the end of the 10th. That's the 10th section. This is the 11th section, but we will not go there since it's freaking 50 degrees hot now. So this is the picture of our king here in Kuwait. I'll take a photo. Now let me find where are we, because we'll search for my colleague. I am interested to get inside the 12 section because they are the sporting goods department. You can see the treadmills, electricals here. You can buy the brand new ones for only 120 dinars. And you can, for those cheaper quality, you can buy at least 70 kg for this. There are the gymming stuffs here. Refrigerators at the other side. The TV in that side. So now we are going home. The shoes section is in that area, but we didn't pass by anymore because we are so tired and we don't have cash to buy for shoes. And we don't have shoes items for sale this time. This is the exit. We're going here. Even the parking area is far. Oh my god. I'm so freaking exhausted. Let's fly to Mangraf now.